Hi everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. 10 minutes until market opens. That's not what I meant to click. Starting off, let's just go over why this is on the chart. This long position's on the chart because I was at the gym. This was like five something, 5:45. I'm at the gym, getting a beautiful pump in. I'm like, let me look at the stock market. I'm gonna mark out daily open, midnight open. Just see where we're moving. We're moving sideways, number one. Number two, I saw that we had this 4 hour gap. We tapped it. I was like, damn. I'm scaling in. I'm like, damn, I kind of like this reaction. And then I'm looking at the 5 minute. Because I think it's also an hour. Yeah, it's also an hourly, and we sweep below these lows. I'm like, damn. Our CISD is all the way up there, but I'm already kind of expecting us to go up. So let's see what happens. So I was awake here. Markets moving, moving, moving. We moved up higher, broke above these highs, and we had this 5 minute fair value gap. I'm like, this is a really nice fair value gap to see to take longs out of, depending upon how price reacts. I might take this. And I said that. And I placed this right at 550. I'm like, I want to see how price reacts. And then I continued my set and then I honestly I forgot to ever look back. And I looked back like over here and I was like, dude, this is a nice trade. And ended up hitting TP, which was just a low buy side. This was honestly a beautiful trade, which I took it, but I was at the gym and I kind of forgot to open up the charts again because I was talking and fucking everybody. But once we took out this level of high side, which I think, no, it's not. I thought it might be all-time highs, but it's not. Once, did we reach equilibrium of this range? We did. So we might honestly look for shorts. I am not gonna lie, we might look for shorts. I didn't even mark out this level of buy side. We actually have an SMT. I mean, it's a very little one. Buy side. I don't know if little is the right word, but NQ took out these highs, ES didn't, and we're fucking crazy dead. I don't see anything now that's pretty obvious. I mean, daily and not open are like right next to each other. So I can honestly delete one. Let me delete daily open. Yeah, because midnight open's right there. We're moving sideways. We do have news, I think, today. Yeah, we have 10 o'clock news. So we'll see what happens. But my bias, honestly, like looking on the hourly, right? We went up, we came all the way down here, right? And these are all nice candle closures. Did we take that out? We did take it out. But we have these. These are nice, juicy lows here and everything. I'm thinking we're probably just rebalancing to go lower. I'm not expecting us to dump like this, right? We're gonna dump like this and then come right back up. No, we're probably gonna, we're probably going here. Maybe we're messing around a little bit, going up here, and then we're going lower. How do I like? Isn't it enter or exit? Yes. We're probably doing something like this, or probably just gonna go bam, 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 bam. So I'm honestly looking for shorts. Um, we can honestly delete this level. I marked it because I think it's a fair value gap. Yeah, it's a 4 hour fair value gap, but we're gonna have to see what New York does when it opens in 6 minutes. So I'm going to see you guys then. Yesterday I think we just went up the whole day. Yeah. So we'll see what today brings us. Like look at the daily can. I want to point this out. We completely engulfed it, which is not the greatest for shorts. I'm not gonna lie. That's not the greatest thing to see for shorts. Is this? I didn't leave that. Let's actually mark out some. Actually, I don't even need to, because we didn't go anywhere. Whoopsie. Yeah, I could say that this is. We're gonna take out these lows, but I could say that this is London and Asia low, but I am just calling it buy side. So I'm gonna see you guys when I see a trade.